Let's start cooking. Add 1/2 cup of oil and 1 small onion cut into slices. Add 2-inch length cinnamon sticks, to bay leaves, to black cardamoms, for cloves and for black peppers. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin and sauté for 5 more minutes on medium heat. Add 1 kilogram of minced meat and sauté until it changes its color. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Cook for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Cook until oil separates on medium-high heat. Now add 1 cup of peeled and chopped tomatoes. Add 1½ tablespoons of Tikka Masala and mix it well. Add 1 cup of water, cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. On low heat until the meat is tender. In the meantime, in another pan sauté 1/4 cup of green pepper, 1/4 cup of red pepper, and 1/4 cup of onions. Should be cut into bite-sized pieces. Sauté till it becomes softened on medium heat and add to the meat. Add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, mix it and switch off the flame. Now place red-hot charcoal in the middle of the pan. Pour a few drops of oil over the charcoal. Then cover the pot for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the charcoal. Smoky minced meat is ready to serve. Enjoy with your favorite naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.